Mom is gone.
Operation Surprise Dinner?
Let's do it.
Yes!
Look, a whisk.
And a frying pan.
Pancakes first.
We need milk and flour.
Can I stir it, Dad?
Yes, you can. Oops! Heavy bag.
Dad, watch out. You look funny, Dad.
You too, Leo. Stir, stir, stir.
Mix it fast.
Good job.
We did it!
High five.
Is it snowing, Dad?
Yes, inside our kitchen. Now, scoop the batter.
Smells so sweet.
Ready? Pour it into the pan.
Listen. Sizzle, sizzle.
1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
Almost done.
What is that smell?
Uh-oh.
Is it burning?
Quick, flip the pancake.
Ah!
Flip it. Flip it, Dad. Up it goes.
Wow, too high. Where is it, Dad?
Look up. It's stuck.
I can jump.
Jump higher, Leo. Almost. I have a long spatula.
Be careful, Dad.
I got it.
Oh no, it's falling.
Nice hat, Dad. Help me clean it.
I got a tissue.
Thank you. No more pancakes.
They are too hard.
Let's bake a chicken. Wow. In the oven?
Yes, it's easy. Uh-oh, it is dripping. What is dripping?
Whoa! The floor is slippery.
Dad, freeze.
Look at me. Slide, slide. You are an ice skater, Dad. Open the fridge. Wow, it's cold inside. Look, a big chicken.
Ha! We can bake it.
Perfect. I am carrying the chicken.
Slowly, Dad. Slowly.
Safe. On the table.
Good job, Chef Dad.
Time to prepare the chicken.
Let's roll up our sleeves. We need spice bottles.
Which one is first, Dad?
First, add some oil. It looks so shiny.
Rub it, rub it, rub it.
Ha! Massage the calf.
Massage the chicken.
Give me the pepper.
Here.
Here is the pepper.
Buh.
Good job.
And some garlic powder.
Yeah.
It smells delicious.
Wait,
Salt or sugar?
they look the same.
Eeny, meeny, miny. This one.
Is it salt, Dad?
Yes, 100% salt. Shake it onto the chicken.
Wow, it looks like snow.
More salt makes it yummy.
Yes.
Lots of salt. All done. Open the oven door. Wow, it is warm.
Slide the tray inside. Going in smoothly.
Now, close the door.
Perfect. Lock it safe. Set the timer for 1 hour.
Baking starts now. We just need to wait now.
Baking is so peaceful, Dad.
Dad, do you smell that?
Sniff. It smells burned.
Look at the oven, Dad. There is smoke. Oh no! Run, Leo!
What happened to the chicken?
I can't see the chicken! The window is totally black.
Oh dear.
It's too smoky.
Wave your hands. Oh no. This jar says S-U-G-R.
We used sugar instead of salt?
Yes.
What is that noise?
It's the fire alarm. Yikes! Turn it off.
I am fanning the smoke.
Wow, good idea, Leo.
Go away, smoke. I can wave a towel.
Teamwork, Dad, teamwork.
Listen, it stopped. Whew. No more beep beep. Yay.
Look at our chicken.
It is totally black, Dad.
Wow, this kitchen is so messy.
It looks like a battlefield, Dad. Look at my giant gloves. You look like a superhero.
Super cleaner Leo. Sweep, sweep, sweep the flour. Go, Chef Dad, sweep it fast.
I wiped the table with a sponge.
Wow, look at those soap bubbles. Squirt, squirt, cleaning spray.
It looks like rain.
All clean. Look, the counter is so shiny.
It is clean and beautiful, Dad.
My stomach is rumbling.
I am so hungry, Dad.
Me too.
Look.
Instant noodles. Yay! Our dinner is saved.
The water is boiling. Be careful with hot water.
I have the chopsticks. One pair for Dad, one pair for me.
Pouring the hot soup.
Whew.
Wow. Smells amazing.
Slurp. This is so delicious.
Haha, eat slowly, Leo.
You are the noodle champion, Dad.
Yes, I am the king of noodles. My tummy is full.
My tummy is happy too.
Perfect dinner. Let's call Mom.
Hi, Mom. We miss you.
We messed up dinner, Mom. The chicken became charcoal. We appreciate your meals every day.
We love your food, Mom.
We love you, Mom. Bye.